Alright guys, our National Treasures break in 2 days on Saturday is full. This is the event in Top Shelf Sports. You can always go to the event section in Top Shelf Sports to see what breaks I have currently planned and some of the future ones. Every one of you is in this conversation. Okay? So we're going to start the team random. I'm going to do 2 timestamps. Make a post in the event. And in the chat that you're in. Here's our list of 30. Check it out real quick. Okay. Let's do some dice. Or do the teams 5 times. And then assign them. Alright, here's our teams list. Our new season started, so we've officially changed team names. The Charlotte Bobcats are now the Hornets. Any current Hornets cards go to the Bobcats. New Orleans is the Pelicans. So any old Hornets cards from the old Charlotte franchise go to the Pelicans. Alonzo Mourning, Larry Johnson, so on and so forth. So here's our teams. We're on 5 times. And then we'll assign them to the list. And we'll have teams, guys. So here we go. Last one. And there's teams. Let's copy them out and put them in. Alright, there we go. And we'll run them off real quick. Matt with the Cavs, Zach Rockets, Nathan Raptors, Matt Suns, Nathan Lakers, Zach Knicks, Nathan Spurs, James Bucks, Nathan Nuggets, Matt Warriors, Paul Pacers, Nathan Jazz, Darren Bulls, James Thunder, Matt Hornets Bobcats, Brandon Nets, Mike 76ers, Matt Wizards, Brandon Clippers, Mike Timberwolves, Paul Celtics, Matt the Heat, Nathan the Hawks, Josh Grizzlies, Matt Blazers, Mike Blazers, Matt Magic, Josh Pistons, Matt Mavericks, Josh Kings, and Wayne with the Pelicans Hornets. So there's our teams, guys. I'll give them over to you in the chat. Okay, there's teams, guys. We're done here. You guys can start trade time. If you make a trade, both of you need to private message me the trade. Just 2 timestamps. We're done, that's it. Trade if you want, and see you on Saturday. We start at 8 p.m. Central Time.